Like Palestine is going down, and there are many problems which have been created. But like in the other side, which people aren't seeing, that is that Israel's economy is breaking down because of the wars, and the people, the Jew people who actually study the Torah, they are going against Netanyahu, the Benjamin, and Benjamin has many war crimes against him. There are many reports, and the UN is also telling that whatever they're doing is it's a war crime. It can't be against the defending, because you can't kill kids and tell that it's against my defender. It was the right thing I did. They attacked me, but kids can't attack you. They didn't do anything to get killed. They have the rights to stay alive. They are still kids. They can just die when they're 3 months old. It's against the world. It is a world crime actually, seriously. And then that Benjamin has many cases against him, that because he is killing them, and he's telling them he's doing it against them, that they have the rights to do it. Even he himself, he told that our people came from hell instead of heaven, because in Islam it is told that their tongues are gonna go against them when they're doing the wrong thing. So that's all I have to say. That we can't have, we shouldn't have low expectations. Their economy is breaking down. Their own people is going against Benjamin. The people who actually study Torah, they know that it is wrong. Whatever they're doing, the Jews burn their Israeli flag in front of the world. It is like spreading in the news. It is not a misinformation. It is a real information. It is going around right now, and you guys should support Palestine on and on. It is, we are going to win. There are high chances. We should still have hopes. There are many stages of the war, and they might have a civil war against us or many other countries. They might have, because whatever they're doing, it is wrong. That's all I have to say. Thank you for taking it.
Allahu Akbar! Nare Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Nare Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Lipat dyan! Nare Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Para na!
Oh no no no, oh no ba?